solid hours of staring at the material to decide to reconvene after the holidays for a fresh look at the layout. Selling cosmetics, not curing cancer. Why are you going to the airport?
What's the point of busting my ass to catch a 6 o'clock flight? Why don't you wait and go out with me on the 8? You're never going to get a cab at this hour.
I told Susan I'd be home by 9.
That's you.
Oh, God. Oh, damn it. I left my gloves in Brian's office. I don't need them. I get in the elevator, I get in the taxi, I get on a plane, and I'm home. Would you pick them up for me? I'll drive over tomorrow and get them.
Great. Have a good holiday.
I'll see you in Chicago, John.
You'll never make the 6.
Your cab, but I'm desperately late for a plane, and I was wondering if I could appeal to your good nature and ask you to let me have it.
I don't have a good nature. Excuse me.
Come on! Could I offer you $10 for it?
Huh.
20. I'll give you $20 for it.
I'd say 50.
All right.
Anyone who'd pay $50 for a cab certainly pay 75.
Not necessarily. All right, 75.
Thief. Close. I'm an attorney.
Have a happy holiday.
This will help.
Hey, that's my cab! That's my cab! Come here! Hold on! All right, pull over! That's my cab! Over, buddy! You're messing with the wrong guy! All right, you son of a bitch! This is my cab!
They're gonna be here tomorrow, honey.
Mom?
Yeah?
Do you think Grandpa Walt is gonna give me a noogie?
Of course he's gonna give you a noogie. He loves to give you noogies. That's how he tells you that he loves you.
Why doesn't he give me noogies?
Because you get Indian burns.
But I prefer noogies.
Keep an eye on your brother. Hello?
Who is it?
Where are you?
Who is it?
Shh, it's Daddy.
Flight delay.
When do you think he'll be in?
It shouldn't be any later than 10.
I'll wait up for you.